Hey, Lou from RV Habit. I'm at the 2022 Tampa RV Show with the new Coachmen Cross Trail Class C. It's on a Ford Transit. Let's take a look around. First, we'll do the driver's side. It's on a Transit 350 all-wheel drive. Comes with a Onan 4,000 watt generator. It's got some storage on the side. This is the back of your water heater. This is the back of your regular heater. 30 amp service. You've got your water control section here where you can do your black tank flush, your city water. And down here is your dump valves. And we're gonna have to go around the other side to see the passenger side. So on the passenger side, your front bay is your onboard propane. It does have a Solera power awning. If you come down here, it's got a spot for an outdoor television and some more storage. You can plug in for portable solar panels, 110 volt outlets. This is a spray port. You can connect a hose that they give you to wash bicycles and stuff like that off. This is obviously made for the sportsman. Back here, just a huge amount of storage. This is the storage unit. And I mean, it's big. You can, I mean, there's nothing more you want to take than won't fit in there. And again, this is a 30 amp rig. You got a portable LPG hookup for your barbecue. And again, it's a, this is the 20 CB, which I think is 21 feet, and it's all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. So as you come in, your batteries are below the steps here, and this is your control center. And you can control all your lights here, your gas, your water pumps, your check your tank levels, anything like that. Pretty typical when you walk into most RVs. And if you come in, we'll start with what the Transit looks like. So it's a pretty typical Ford Transit interior. Looks like it has rear view and side view mirrors up on where the rear view mirror would be. And it's got the cloth seats. Right here's a jump seat. And you got kind of like a half a horseshoe dinette. You could probably fit 4 comfortably. And the table obviously removes, and you can make that into a small bed for a child. Obviously, I don't think you could ever fit an adult there. But it does have, up on top, a nice big bunk with the safety net. And of course, this lifts up so you can leave this open to get in and out without hitting your head if you'd like. And the TV is on a swing arm. It's a 24-inch Furion. You got storage above the dinette. Those are big cabinets. They go all the way across. There's nothing blocking it. It's just one big storage unit. You got a vent up on top. If you come in, you've got a Norcold. It looks like a 12 volt refrigerator. It's not LPG. So it looks like it's a 12 volt, yep, it is, 12 volt refrigerator. You got a small kitchen, you got a Magic Chef microwave, you got a 3-burner Magic Chef stove. You got storage underneath. This is that hose I was talking about that you can connect right outside to wash things off. You got pull-out drawers, 3 of them. Under sink storage, a small kitchen sink. It is small. Again, this is a 21-foot motorhome with a high arc sink, no pull-out spray, just a faucet. A little more storage here for bread and stuff like that. Huge storage area there. Storage all across the back, and it is a corner bed. Some people don't like that because it can be tough to make the bed. I use beddies. That thing's great. But even that might even be difficult. Corner beds are just corner beds. Up here you have some more storage. There's definitely a lot of storage in here. Huge wardrobe closet with the bar. Your power center's at the bottom and a couple drawers. And the bathroom. Small sink, nice shower, and a porcelain toilet. And again, another vent in the bathroom. So this, I don't know, I'd classify this between like a B plus and a small class C. There's no slides in here, and it's, I think, yeah, 20 CBT Cross Trail is the model by Coachmen. It's new, and it really is, they pack a lot into this little bit. I mean, you could probably park this anywhere in a supermarket or any other parking spot. If you're looking for small, but you don't like the vans, this is worth a look. I'm Lou from RV Habit, and thanks for watching.